Hi, I'm Chris. Welcome to my real estate wholesaling and agency building course. Now, you're here because two things. One, you're tired of working for other people while they get rich and you don't, so you want to be your own boss. Two, you have this deep desire inside of you that's just calling out for some financial freedom, which is beautiful. I can appreciate that. You've come to the right place. I've successfully built and run a virtual real estate wholesaling agency. We have over 200 agents on contract across the country and operate at a very, very high level. Now, to help others do the same, I decided to put together two courses based on my own experience. Okay. The first, the Wholesaling 101 course. This is for those who only want to learn how to wholesale for themselves and have no ambition on operating a multi-agent agency. The other course, Building a Virtual Real Estate Wholesaling Agency, is for those who wish to learn how to wholesale, but also hire and train agents and scale the agency to however large your dreams desire. All right. For the Wholesaling 101 course, I provide a blueprint to show you everything you need to know about wholesale and real estate. I also provide all the training materials, contracts, helpful tools, as well as a live session of me training my own newly hired agents. When you're finished, you will know and have everything that you need to know to get to work. All right. For the second, the agency building course, this includes all the materials from the wholesaling course to teach you everything you need to know about wholesaling, but it also includes everything you need to know about recruiting and hiring agents, running ads, conducting meetings, agent contracts, as well as a live session of my own hiring events. When you're finished, you will have everything and know everything you need to know to build your own remote and virtual real estate wholesaling agency. All right. Now, for a very limited amount of time, I am offering a one-on-one coaching mentorship program. This comes with the course, but you also get time every week with me to help build your individual wholesaling company or to help you grow your agency. Whichever path you choose, I will be there to help. Please keep in mind that this program is very limited due to time availability. So please make sure to act fast if you wish to get it. Now, I appreciate all of you taking the time to stop by, and I look forward to seeing all of you in the classroom. Take care.